Greetings to all, my dear students. Now we are on the last part of our topic number 3, that is topic 3.3, Revolution of 1848. As in the previous video, you had seen that how in 1848 again the revolution started from France in the month of February 1848. And the result of the revolution of February revolution of 1848 in France was that France became the republic, and male adult franchise, universal male franchise, universal male franchise means universal means all, males means male member, franchise means right to vote. All male members, adult male members got the right to vote. And what was the age decided? 21 or the above age men got the right to vote. And France, the new constitution was also given to the France, was also drafted for the France, and National Assembly established, which declare a new constitution for the France. Okay, so as happened earlier also, when the revolution started in France, its result can be seen in other places also. The same happened in the year 1848. The impact of this revolution can be seen in the German states or the German region. Yes, you are correct. The German states, and Germany was not the country till 1848. Later on, we will discuss about the unification of Germany, how Germany became a nation. But till the time it was it was divided into 39 states, which were made by Napoleon. And before these 39 states, before the coming of the Napoleon, these German states were divided into countless principalities, more than 100 principalities, which were combined, which were consolidated by the Napoleon into 39 states. And which was the strongest among these 39 states? Yes, the correct, that was the Prussia. Prussia was the strongest among these 39 states. ये जो German states थे 39, सब में सबसे powerful था Prussia. So the impact of this can be seen at Prussia also. What happened here in Prussia? The liberal group, the educated middle class of the Prussia, what they started the drafting of the constitution on the same guidelines as that of the France. जैसे फ्रांस में नेशनल असेंबली थी ना, उन्होंने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ड्राफ्ट करना शुरू कर दिया था, और बाद में किंग को ले जाकर देते हैं एंड फोर्स द किंग टू साइन इट, and France became the constitutional monarchy. In the similar way, at Prussia also, the people of the Prussia, this middle class, the liberal group, what they started drafting the constitution, and they declared themselves as the German, it is given in your book, All German National Assembly. They declared themselves. France में क्या था? National Assembly. और ये क्या है? All German. Why they are using all German? Because all the German states, 39 states, National Assembly, they started the drafting of the constitution, the work of the drafting of the constitution in the city named Frankfurt. And this meeting was also known as the Frankfurt Parliament. ये constitution बनाने के लिए जो meeting चल रही थी, इसको इसलिए Frankfurt Parliament भी कहते हैं. तो फ्रैंकफर्ट सिटी में ये हो रही थी, एंड वेयर इन द फ्रैंकफर्ट सिटी, इन वन ऑफ द चर्च नेम सेंट पॉल चर्च, they completed the work of the drafting of the constitution for Germany, and finally they went to the king of Prussia. At that time, the king of Prussia was Wilhelm's, that was the Frederick Wilhelms, that was the Frederick Frederick Wilhelm's IV. They went to the Frederick Wilhelm's IV and asked him to sign the constitution, and after that the France became the constitutional monarchy. But Frederick Wilhelm's IV denied of signing the constitution, and instead he called his force and tried to suppress these liberal group. इन लोगों को वहां से भगाने के लिए कहते हैं. And as the result, all other conservative groups in German states get combined, and they all together were successful in suppressing these liberal group in the year 1848. ये successful हो गए थे इन्हें suppress करने में. And finally Prussia remained the monarchy. In Prussia the monarchy remained in power, and these liberal group can't be able to bring the change in Prussia and to make them the constitutional monarchy. बेटा one of the reason was also there behind that, these liberal group. बेटा मैंने आपको बताया था ये कौन थे, एजुकेटेड मिडिल क्लास थे. मिडिल क्लास कौन लोग कहलाते थे? दोज हु अर्न द मनी थ्रू द ट्रेड से, बिजनेस से इन्होंने पैसा कमा लिया था. एंड दीज पीपल वर अगेंस्ट द, दे वर नॉट हैविंग द सपोर्ट ऑफ द पुअर पीपल. पुअर पीपल हैं या फिर लेबर्स हैं, लेबर्स या फिर हम कह सकते हैं workers, peasants. So the liberal group do not enjoy the support of these people because they earn the money by exploiting these people. Like the industrialists earn the money by exploiting the workers. Because of this was also one of the reason why they were not so much strong, and why the Frederick Wilhelm, the king of Prussia, was able to suppress them. So what we have studied in the topic, in this whole topic we have studied about the revolution which took place in 1830s. 1830s में कहाँ हुआ था? Firstly the revolution started from France, and then that was the Brussels, Belgium get separated from Netherlands, and third was the Greece got separation from the Ottoman Empire. And in 1848 the revolution started from the France in February, and after that revolution France became the republic. The second republic was established in France. And secondly, the Selassie case you have studied. There the revolt done by the weavers against the contractors, against the exploitation done by the contractors. And finally you have studied the case of the German state, how the liberal group tried to bring the revolution and tried to establish the constitutional monarchy in Prussia, but why they failed. Okay, thank you all.